YouTube? It's Street Scholar 23. Here with my boy Josh, Matt Ugly.
Damn right.
Alright. Anyways, he stopped at Walmart on his way back, and he got 18 Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy packs. So he's gonna open these, and I'm gonna eat. So have at it, man. They had them out early for some reason. I don't know why. What do you got?
First card, Sonic Warrior.
Have you fucking turned them around?
No, I can't see them. Sonic Warrior. Yeah.
That's mine.
Oh, there's a good player.
Yeah. Do them like this. You look at them upside down. Hold the cards like this.
Oh, okay. Mecha Phantom Beast Black Falcon.
Oh, you ain't getting
God,
shit.
it's so fucking cute.
I think it's a whole new level of cute. Wow, you fucking suck.
I mean, that's Consular Omega. Nice.
Oh shit.
Good shit. Second one of those.
We don't have one of those. What are you talking
I
about?
said you have one of those. It's our second.
Oh. I traded one of those.
You traded?
Yeah.
For what?
To Waldy. For some stuff I needed. It wasn't even really stuff I needed. It was just stuff I wanted.
Oh, nothing over there.
Did you get a Fire Fist Rhino?
I don't know. Oh, I got the set of these now. Mecha Phantom Beast Hamstrat Ultra.
I thought you got Raptor again.
Raptor's badass too.
How many you went through?
6 of them. I should just counted those, but it made it easier.
Yeah, but you're a retard.
Shut up. Is that a baby dragon too? He's old.
Mm-hmm.
Like a Phantom Beast Mega Raptors.
How you pulled the Raptor right after I say that? You're welcome.
There's Rhino.
I'm seeing that.
Memory loss is good. Can't even tell if you're on camera and not pay attention.
You're on camera. Sorry, I was reading the card. Oh!
Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Coyote.
Fucking
Secret.
boss! I don't care about that. I want the rare.
Really? Oh.
Fucking title. Gosh, now tomorrow I gotta go and buy another 18 packs.
Damn right. What do you mean tomorrow? I can't just go tonight.
Because my check don't go until like 6 in the morning.
Fuck. And you can't go to Walmart?
Fuck. Josh, they up till 6 in the morning. You can go to Walmart for me. Go grab the whole other row.
Why are you eating, man?
Oh my god.
I don't want it anymore.
Hurry up.
Shut up.
Fucking Coyote. What does Coyote do anyways? Let me see.
If you control a fire formation spell or trap, you can special summon.
Yeah, I didn't ask you to read them to me.
Shut up.
Oh yeah, that's right. I knew what he did already. Fucking Drago Sacks going for $200.
Gotta get him. This is the pack. All these packs are bitches to open.
It's alright. Yay, Blaster! Give me. Uh-oh. 6 left.
7.
Wow, I can't count. Alright, fuck it. You took too long. I'm eating it.
Harpy's Pet Phantasm Dragon. Harpy's Pet Phantasm Dragon.
I say we wait till 6 when my check clears. Nice.
Noble Arms of Destiny. That looks good too. I have to be up around 6 anyway to get to work.
Yes.
So just call me. I'll wake up.
I probably won't be up. You gotta call me.
Fuck. Nothing.
You had a baby there. Oh, you got
You
3 of
already
those
have
already.
those. Fuck you.
I only need 2 of them anyways. Nothing. You did say those last 3 were all them.
That's it.
That card's pretty good.
Love it.
This one.
Well, they're trying to prevent this people from stealing this one. It must have Drago Sack in it.
Got you. What is it, Harpy?
Ghost Fairy Ophobia.
Oh. Last one, Homo. You didn't even pull that back.
I got 2 Ultras, the secret Mecha Raptor.
It's the other side that had all the fucking Drago sacks.
You're right.
Another hollow in the last one.
Global Knight and Guacho Vab. Ultra.
Alright, that was the last one. I'm gonna strain all these out. What the fuck? I'm gonna be updating trade binders probably tomorrow. And we'll throw all this stuff in there too with his binder as well. Alright, YouTube. Peace out, faggots.